Hello. In this tutorial, we'll be covering and how to visualize the intensity retroreflectivity scatter plot visualization in the web portal. So as a demo, I'll be using this I-65 retroreflectivity demo dataset. I'll go ahead and click on the Visualize button. So here I'll select all the data products that are available here in this data list and load to the viewer. So the products has been successfully loaded into the viewer. I'll go ahead and uncheck the imagery, and I'll color the point cloud by intensity. Furthermore, I will increase the number of points to improve the level of detail. And in order to visualize the retroreflectivity and intensity scatter plot, please go ahead and click on the retroreflectivity intensity button located on the top tool. So a small window will appear, and first we need to select the platform, the driving direction, which is southbound in this case, the mile marker, the type. So here I will select the right edge line, and for the data type, I'll select the normalized, indicating that this is a normalized intensity. So once you're done setting the fields, you'll notice that there's a scatter plot generated on this small window. The green points are denoted as the regular lane marking. The blue describes the recessed paint lane marking, and the red indicates that it's a durable tape. The user can also click on the legend. So for example, if I'm interested in looking at the recessed paint lane marking, I can click on the green point and the red point to deactivate being displayed on the plot. So for this plot, you can see that the x-axis shows the scaled intensity and the y-axis shows the scaled retroreflectivity. In order to visualize the point, I would try to visualize 2 points where we have low intensity but high retroreflectivity and high intensity but low retroreflectivity. So let me first go with low intensity but high retroreflectivity. I'll select a point here, and as you select the point, on the bottom section, it shows you the details of the selected point, the values of the intensity and the values for the retroreflectivity. Let me minimize the window, and you can see there's a red point displayed on the lane marking point cloud. If you click on the point located in the side menu, by double clicking it, it will zoom into that data section. So similarly, with the intensity profile visualization, you can also conduct the backward projection. So I'll go ahead and click on the point backward button, and a small window will pop up. So I'll perform the backward projection. And as you can see, there is some anomaly that can be a crack seal. I'll also look in the rear camera, and this can be used to determine whether it's an anomaly or a lane marking. I'll show another example where we have high intensity but low retroreflectivity. So if you drag from top left to bottom, you can zoom into the section where you're interested. So let me try selecting a point where we have high intensity but low retroreflectivity. So as soon as I clicked on it, you'll notice that a data info has been popped out on the side menu again. Double click to zoom into that portion there. Now again, I will perform another backward projection. And we can see that this is a recessed lane marking point cloud. And so as we can see, this is a recessed lane marking. So with this functionality, the retroreflectivity and intensity scatter plot can be used to confirm what are the types of the lane marking. So in this tutorial, we have covered how to visualize the intensity retroreflectory scatter plot in the web portal. Thank you for listening.